We ain't got any Volvos here.
There is a Volvo here, I know. They told me to
Just
switch
wait a minute,
over.
wait. What I'm trying to tell you is there ain't no Volvos here.
Do something, find my damn Volvo. It's got to be somewhere in there. Check it out, man.
Wait. It's not nothing here. There's nothing here. Look. So look, there's another one back here.
Hey, I tell you what, look at this. Look at it. She's a brick.
Welcome. Today I'm in a Volvo, my damn Volvo 950. It's fresh off the Volvo lot. It's got very low mileage. I believe this is the equivalent to Cat 390, but this has way more power and speed so far from what I've seen. If you've never run one of these Volvos, it's got a heated seat, air-conditioned seat, basically an iPad for a screen, and then it's got cameras all the way around, plus an aerial camera, so you can watch above you, sort of like having a drone hovering around your machine, and it shows up on this little tablet in front of you. This even comes with a blowgun to blow all the dust out of your cab instead of just using an old broom. That's the nice part about having a air inflated seat, is you got basically an air compressor right under your seat. I think we got about 8 or 9 trucks tonight, so be going non-stop one after the other for 12 hours. I like to load them front to back, so you start at the front of the box and just work your way back, and once you get to the last bucket, it just kind of falls in, and then nothing really spills out the back of the truck. We try to keep these cuts as straight as possible, because once you get to the end of this cut, you start a new one. If you're buying it, your cut is all jagged, then your trucks are going to start veering further away from you, and then you'll end up reaching out further, and not only does it upset the machine, but it's slower loading times, so you want to keep it lined up with your left track and then just kind of follow that. One thing that worked for me is, before I started here, I had the grader man go by and just make a quick pass as straight as he could, so he left a little windrow. So I've been kind of following that as I go. I just put my spill pile right on his little windrow and then follow that the whole way.
truck 610 is dangerous, man. It goes high, it goes real fast.
So I found the key to success in this is just to stay consistent. Don't get all stressed about trying to keep up with these trucks when you got 4 of them lined up in front of you. It's just keep your momentum going, and that's about it. And just like that is Derek again. Good thing we got these LED light bars wrapped around the machine.